Hello Primary 6s and 7s, this is Miss Stalin here, introducing your spelling for Monday the 22nd of February, Book 6, Unit 17. Every week you will be expecting a new word list on a Monday. You will also be issued a new spelling page to focus your learning, a spelling grid to work through from Tuesday, Wednesdays and Thursdays. We would ask that you try and do a spelling test on a Friday, so get someone at home to test you and send a photo of how you got on. And your teachers will offer additional opportunities to practice your spelling words throughout the week. Book 6 focus is on homophones and near homophones. So homophones. Homo means same and phone means sound. Therefore, homophone means sounds the same. However, they have different spellings and different meanings. In the picture next to this is an example. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and usually different spellings. So up the top you have write and write, as in write a letter, or write you are correct. You have read and read. You have 8 and 8, as in the number 8, or you ate something. 2 and 2, so the number 2, or to see something. See and see, as in see with your eyes, or go out to see. Sale and sale, a sale within a shop where everything's reduced, or a sail on a boat. I and I, your actual eye on your face, or I as in me. Near homophones. Near homophones are two or more words that have different spellings and meanings and sound very much alike, although not exactly. In this picture is principal and principal. So a principal would be like the head teacher of a school, and a principal is also your ideas and your opinions. You have profit, which is the amount of money you could earn, or profit as in a god or somebody within the religious section who would offer a prophecy, their ideas and opinions. You have descent, which is to come down a hill, or descent as in an argument. You have dessert, as in a pudding, or desert, as in a sandy oasis. And you have draft, so you write your first draft of your essay, or draft as in a wind blowing. Near homophones can be confusing. There is a small group of words that often cause confusion, although there is an easy way to remember how to spell them correctly. Advise and advice, devise and device, practice and practice, license and license. The words advise, devise, practice and license are all verbs, so they can have ing or ed added to the end of them. They usually have s within them, so advise, devise. The words advice, device, practice and license are nouns, so can't have the suffix ing or ed added to them, and these usually end in ce. Your task for this week is to complete Unit 17, Book 6. You will see your words down the left-hand side. Focus, you are to look at the picture clues and write a matching keyword for each of these pictures within your book. For Part B on Focus, you have to write a homophone for each of these words, so another word for herd that is similar but spelt different. Lead, guest, cereal, farther, symbol, lightning and cue. Some pairs of words are not actually homophones, although they sound very similar and can cause confusion. Bought and brought, for example. I bought some apples from the shop. I brought them home with me. Your task for Extra A is to write sentences to show that you know the difference between these often confused words. For Extra B, these homophones cause more problems than most. Write one sentence for each set that includes each of the three words. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings. In extension, we've already gone over this, But as a recap, there is a small group of words that cause confusion, though there is a fairly easy way to remember how to spell them correctly. The words advice, devise, practice and license are all verbs, so they are all doing words, so can have ing or ed added to them. Where advice, devise, practice and license are all nouns, so they are all naming objects and they can't have ing or ed added to them. We have been devising a device to stop squirrels eating the food. Devising is a verb as it is an action word. Device is a noun as it is a naming word. For extension A, write a sentence for each of these words: license, practicing, advice, devised, practice. For extension B, copy these words and write the definition. The definition means the meaning, and in order to do this, you will need a dictionary to help you. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing the work that you send in.